Civil service exam reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Abstain is to refrain. Concede is to blank. A. Yield. B. Expand. C. Erase. D. Amuse. The correct answer is letter A. Yield. To concede is to yield, just as to abstain is to refrain. Cajole is to persuade. Deride is to blank. A. Praise. B. Mock. C. Collide. D. Approve. The correct answer is letter B. Mock. Deride means to mock, just as cajole means to persuade. Meticulous is to careless. Magnanimous is to blank. A. Generous. B. Spiteful. C. Hopeful. D. Tedious. The correct answer is letter B. Spiteful. Magnanimous is the opposite of spiteful, like meticulous is the opposite of careless. Bolster is to support. Debilitate is to blank. A. Strengthen. B. Weaken. C. Comfort. D. Divide. The correct answer is letter B. Weaken. Debilitate means weaken. The opposite of bolster, support. Precursor is to before. Aftermath is to blank. A. First. B. Near. C. Later. D. Sudden. The correct answer is letter C. Later. A precursor comes before and aftermath comes later. Guile is to deception. Candor is to blank. A. Terror. B. Comfort. C. Haste. D. Honesty. The correct answer is letter D. Honesty. Candor means honesty. Guile means deception. Truncate is to shorten. Elaborate is to blank. A. Lengthen. B. Reduce. C. Blur. D. Erase. The correct answer is letter A. Lengthen. Elaborate means to lengthen or expand. The counterpart of truncate, shorten. Blank is to weak. Cogent is to strong. A. Opaque. B. Tedious. C. Tenuous. D. Abrupt. The correct answer is letter C. Tenuous. Tenuous means weak, matching cogent and strong. Theory is to abstract. Application is to blank. A. Practical. B. Divided. C. Shifting. D. Clouded. The correct answer is letter A. Practical. Application relates to practicality, like theory relates to abstraction. Opaque is to blank. Lucid is to clear. A. Shallow. B. Bright. C. Uncertain. D. Unclear. The correct answer is letter D. Unclear. Opaque means unclear, mirroring lucid and clear. Did you get perfect?